Good morning from 𝗧𝗢𝗡 Hair Salon. I am coming in here live because we are showing off our newest extension method, which is called the NBR hand-tied extension method. So we have got one row done on the beautiful Natalie. She is our model today, so say hey, Natalie.
Hi.
Actually, it's really funny. We go way far back and we didn't even realize it. We have so much in common. Our husbands know each other, and we had the same artist do a couple of our paintings in our house. And what else? What was the other thing? Oh, she's a hairstylist that I didn't know about. Anyways, we're here today. 𝗧𝗢𝗡 is doing her NBR extensions, and they are beautiful. I actually just got mine redone, so I am like in love with this method. And then I have a little secret surprise. There's another person in this room. Who's this?
Hey, I'm Stacy, new stylist.
Yes, let's congratulate Stacy. She just started here at 𝗧𝗢𝗡 Hair Salon. She's gonna be doing some nights and some weekends because those are our busiest times for sure. Saturdays and Sundays, we're open both days. So if you are ever in need of a stylist and you can't get in on a weekend, we have got Stacy here now. So we're super excited. Do you guys have any questions about these extensions? Let me see this up here. Oh, what's up, Joey? Hey, Joey. Hey, Ashley. If you guys have any comments or questions about these extensions, please feel free to contact us or in the comments below. Ask your questions. We love to hear them. But we're super excited about this method. It's really flexible. I love it because I can pick up my hair and you don't see any extension at all. I can even wear my hair kind of like pigtails, which is really fun for me. I wasn't able to do that in the tape and extension. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, comment below if you have any questions about the new NBR extension, and we'll be showing off Natalie's look, straight and curled, after this, and I'll put that in the comments below too. Okay.